Hello everybody, myself Ananda Vinayak from C. Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to learn about example operations and or in Django. Introduction. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean pragmatic design. In Django, operations like and or are commonly used for querying data from the database. These operations help in filtering the data based on specific conditions. The AND operation. The AND operation in Django is used to combine multiple filter conditions. When using and all conditions must be true for the query to return a result. Example, query set is equal to model.subject.filter. Condition 1 is equal to value 1. Condition 2 is equal to value 2. The OR operation. The OR operation in Django is used to combine filter conditions where either conditions can be true when using or at least one of the conditions must be true for the query to return a result. Example, query set is equal to model.objects.filter. Condition 1 is equal to value 1. Condition 2 is equal to value 2. The AND or OR operation. The AND or operation in Django is a combination of and OR operators for complex queries. Allows for mixing and OR condition in a single query. Example, query set is equal to model.subject.filter, condition 1 value is equal to value 1 and condition 2 is equal to value 2 or condition 3 is equal to value 3. Use cases. These operators are commonly used in Django views to retrieve specific data from the database. They are useful for implementing search functionalities, filtering data based on user inputs, and more. Understanding how to use these operators efficiently can improve the performance of your Django application. This is the classic based Django view and this is a function based Django view. Best practices. When using multiple conditions, it's important to group them correctly using parentheses to avoid unexpected result. Use the queue object in Django for complex queries involving or conditions. Keep the query logic simple and readable for better maintenance and debugging. This is an example for parentheses used to reveal additional information. It often can be replaced by commas without offering the general meaning of the sentence. Example, the two sisters, Jennifer and Alison, were trying to convince their parents of having a pet. These brackets used to reveal additional informations of a technical nature or comments left by an editor. Even if these details are omitted, the main sentence will make sense. Examples: do the mass and distance affect the strength of gravitational force? Flying on 3 kilometers per hour for 45 minutes requires a good technical characteristic. Query optimization. Avoid using too many or conditions in a single query as it can impact performance. Utilize Django's select related and prefetch related method to optimize queries with related models. Indexing fields used in filter condition can improve query performance significantly. So this is the reference model, query parses and translator relational algebra expression from that optimizer static about data in the execution plan and the evaluation engine, and this is where the data is stored. And finally, query output, testing and debugging. Use Django's built-in ORM methods like query to impact the generated SQL query. Write unit tests to ensure that your queries return the expected results. Use the Django debug toolbar or other profiling tools to analyze query performance. So conclusion, understanding how to use and or operations in the Django is essential for building efficient database queries. These operators provide flexibility in filtering data based on different conditions. By following best practice and optimizing queries, you can enhance the performance of your Django applications. So that's all. Thank you for listening.